Hello. Andito kami. No, I do live, baby. 2,000 plum tree. Waffle. Bird? Okay, wait. It's so hard, John, because I'm wearing heels and I can't. Hmm? Wow. Okay, John. Wow. Okay, John. So cute. Stop. Busain eh. Smell bad.
Smell bad.
Ha? Ay, ginoo ko.
Let's go home.
Okay.
Then the good thing happen when you go home.
What the good thing happened, John? I can be rich? Oh my God!
9,000 money.
Oh. John, drink waffle, John, oh? Why you don't do anything? Oh my God. I'm wearing heels. Guys, parang maano ako dito, guys. Ay, ginoo ko. Abunay. Ano, yuti na ka na koko iko mite. Uy. Ginoo ko eh. Pataas kasi to, guys, kaya nahihirapan si Manang Grasyag, no ko. I should wear the rubber shoes. Ang ganda, no? For real. Para siyang sakura, pero hindi siya sakura. Matao, Shiko? Checking? John, watch out, John. Para siyang ano, guys. It's so hard to go down, John. Pababa kasi siya at saka ako nag-heel. Ay, naku, Lord. Ito yung bukid. Yes, it's hard to go down, John. Cause my feet is so hurt. Huh?